Hello guys, how are you? Our topic for today is about PHP programming. And as you can see, I have here my some live editor, and of course, some is running in my browser. So we'll be discussing how to use the directory function, at the same time the scandir functions. And of course, you know, to maximize this lesson, well, of course, we will put some examples. Okay, let's start how to use this stuff. All right. So, well, of course, if you were not able to watch my previous PHP tutorial, please watch it. You can start from zero to hero, and we'll be easier the PHP right now. So if you want to start your PHP, of course, you can start with this syntax, question mark and PHP. And of course, we have this question mark PHP. You can also embed this PHP to your hypertext markup language. But since our target is for PHP, then we will start with the PHP. If you want to print, of course, you can use the echo or you can use the print hello world. All right. For example, we want to display the directory of our folder. Of course, we can use the string there. This is the folder, and then we can use scandir, and then let's check our drive C. Okay, drive C, that's for the drive C. So semicolon, and then we can use, if you want to use the echo command, I think there's a problem with that. Okay, let us check what will happen, and we're gonna save this file. I'm sorry, we're gonna save this to file, and then save as. So this is already a PHP program. Then we're gonna what you call this, change this file name to, let's say, test2.php or test2. So there you have it. So we have the test2 right there, and of course our function right now here is to type the program. You can use local. Of course, let us check it again. So we have here. Okay, we're gonna type here local host. Be sure that you are running your sound in your laptop or in your PC. So your local host is test2.php. Let's check that. So not this array to string conversion in line 4. So we cannot convert this array to string. Therefore, we're gonna use this print command. So what is the print command? We can use the print r command. So what is the purpose of print r command? So print r command is like a var dump. What you call these functions in PHP, wherein you need to print the variable into readable materials for the user. So if we run this program, okay, I will save this again. Okay, and then run this program, right? Press the enter key. Now you can see that, of course, the drive C folder or the drive C or the root drive in drive C will be displayed. So these are the files in drive C. Okay, so if you want to change this, okay, if you want to make this bigger, so you can use echo. Then you can put something like, of course, we have here h3, and then style equals to color. Let us change the color to something else. We can use what? Blue. Okay, then you have it. So we'll have to, encapsulate this stuff, this color to what? Echo. Then you close here, of course. Oh, sorry, H3. So when we run the program again, of course, now when we run the program, you save this program. Oops, you save this program. Then you have here, of course, the bold fonts of your folder. So this is how you use your scandir. Now let us use again another type of displaying the directory. So what's the command? We'll be using, of course, the dir, or maybe using the getw. So the purpose of this is to display the current folder. Okay, so what does it mean? So we'll put again here, of course, another folder for that, another variable for the folder. And then let's say I will use here, maybe I can use here, let us go here, echo, and then current drive, or we say folder. Okay, so you can use echo, and then let us display it, and we can use get, okay, current drive, current folder. Okay, let us check what will happen. So this will display, of course, the current drive, current path, current folder of your drive. So current drive folder is some h2, because I am here now in some h2. Let's make this bigger. Okay, so we're gonna make this bigger, and then h1. Okay, so we have the h1 right here. Then you need to encapsulate this. Okay, just arrange the code so that it will be more intuitive to the end user. Then h2, h1, sorry, and then there you have it. When you run the program, of course, save this first, and then you run the program. So current drive folder is some HTTPs because I'm here now in this drive. Now, what if we want to use another style to create our uh, style to display again the list of your folders or the list of your drive? So what will happen? Okay, let us continue. Okay, we will add more codes to this program. And as you can see, we are using the scandir, and of course we have the current get the current drive. We'll infuse another statement here by using the dir statement. Of course, how to do that? So using the dir, at the same time, we'll get the current drive here, or the current drive here. Okay, how to do that? Now we need only to assign a variable to refer to this function. So string, and then we have to use let's say dir2 equals to dir. Okay, this is the dir function, and then inside the dir function, of course we need to get the current drive. So get current drive. Okay, so please be careful with the syntax. Now we have here the dir2 as our variable, and this refers now it's pointing to the current drive. Now what will happen is we will use the loop command. Okay, we are using the open parenthesis and close parenthesis because this is part of the syntax or the grammar for the code. Okay, so we can use another variable right here. Let's say the variable is check list equals. All right, so we have to use the checklist equals, and then what's that equals? So we're gonna use this string there too, and then this is the handle. Now this is now the handle that it refers to the method of the file we have here, open and close parenthesis. Now while checklist equals string there too, okay, it will read the content of the file, and okay, while checklist equals there too, read the file and not equals to false. They need to say read the file while the statement is not false. So we will what? Use this echo command and print the file. So these are the list of the files, and then we're gonna use this again, and then we will print the value of string check list. Okay, so this is the variable. Now what happened is we need to close this string there too. How to do that? So this is very important that every time that we open a folder or directory, we need to close it. So this is referred to the read statement, and while the directory is not empty, and of course automatically it will display all the list of the files. So we are using here the switch function, the flag statement of the boolean function that is false. So here we're gonna close there two, then we put here close. So what's the purpose of that? So we're gonna close it. Okay, that's the pair of the statement. We open the directory and close it right here. Now we will save it, and then let us check what will happen right here. Enter. So list of files, list of files, list of files. So I think we have a problem right here. We are not able to display the list of files. So we need first to check our code right here. Check list equals there too, and then we have here read not equals false. So we'll have to check it first. The syntax is very important when you try to write the code. Okay, so that's part of the grammar. I think we have a wrong syntax right here. I think we missed something right here. So we're gonna use the open and close parentheses. At the same time, we're gonna close this then. So we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So that's a pair type of statement. Now, so far let us first review this. We have the scandir, and we will use the print underscore to display and to display the content of the data into a readable format. And at the same time, we have here the get the current drive to display the current drive. And at the same time, we are now using the loop here to display the current drive and the list of the current drive. So we are using here the variable was checklist at the same time, and we assign it to string there to with the handle of read methods or function. While checklist read the statement while it's not equals to false. So if it's not equals to false, well, of course it will display all this the content of the folder of what of string there too. At the same time, if we have to use the dir command, we'll of course we need to close it right here. When you run the program, okay, let Let's run the program again. Okay, I think there's a problem right here. So we're gonna save it first. Okay, sorry, not able to save that. Then we run the program again. So there you have it. So we have here the following files right here. As you can see, we have the files right here. So let us infuse here another statement. Okay, let us put here another statement. Okay, so we're gonna put here slash br. Purpose of this to create, breaks for different lines and fuse the next statement to the next line. Okay, let us save it again. Then run the code. Okay, there you have it. So we have here the list of our folders. Okay, so if you like this lesson, please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.